All right, video 2, we're talking about circles, standard form of a circle. You'll notice it right over here. Once we've looked at the standard form of a parabola, it is going to be very helpful, once you know that, to move into circles, ellipses, hyperbolas. We're going to see a lot of that. But first, we need to know how to use this. So if we have x minus h quantity squared, y minus k quantity squared, and r squared. The reason we use this is my center of a circle, notice it's different, we don't have a vertex anymore, we have a center, is found by h comma k. And obviously my radius is just r. So that's the information I need to gather from my equation, and then I'm going to use that to graph. All right, let's look at what we have. We got an x squared minus 4y plus 10x plus y squared plus 11 equals 0. So you'll notice we need to get an x quantity squared and a y quantity squared. So what I'm going to do is put those variables together and start completing the square twice. So this is what it looks like. I'll have an x squared plus 10x blank, because I got to complete that square. Plus, I got y squared minus 4y blank equals negative 11 blank blank. Because I had to get this over to the other side, because that's going to be representing my radius squared. All right. Now, to complete the square, it's half of b squared. So this first blank will get a 25. Second one will get a 4. So we're going to add 25 and add 4. Okay? Very quickly, this arrives at our standard form. First quantity can be written as x plus 5 quantity squared plus y minus 2 quantity squared equals 18. All I do is add them to get the 18. If you have a perfect square trinomial, it's just x with half of b, y with half of b. So right now, I'm ready. I'm ready to graph. Center, negative 5, 2. Radius. Now, that's not a perfect square. All right? This is representing radius squared, which means my radius is just square root 18. Now, hear me out. I'm not going to give you full credit if you put that on a test, because you haven't simplified for me. If you were to break down square root 18, you will arrive at 3 square root 2. That is your radius. Now, while that's your exact answer, when it comes time to graph, that's not going to help you. I don't want to disappoint anyone, but I don't know how to move 3 radical 2. I don't. I'd rather find a decimal. And if you find your decimal, it's approximately 4.2. Okay? So now it's time to graph. Here we go. I go to my center. Negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 2. There's my center. Now, you've heard me say it in class. Here it comes. When we're doing circles, we're not being exact. What I want you to do, take your radius, which we stated was approximately 4.2. North, south, east, west. Do your best. Here we go. So I'm going to go 4.2 to the right. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little bit. Down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little bit. Left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little bit. And up, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, and a little bit. We're gonna go right into our work here. See the curve, be the curve. All right, not bad. I got a little off there, but don't judge. That's quick and easy way, getting the equation of a circle into standard form, using that information to pull out the center and the radius, and then how you would graph using that. Get it?